So guys, ये setup सी करके तो you understood. This is none other than the trending line challenge. Let's start. What do you have?
I have a knife.
Oh, you have a knife.
Yes.
And I actually have a tripod.
You have a tripod. Okay. Ask me question.
Okay, so my first question is, if it's a knife, scratch it like very lightly. No, on the table a bit from the sharp side, a bit. Yes, I understood. Now you ask.
Yes. Okay. If it is tripod,
Yes.
then what can I ask? I don't
So
know.
this is a metal one.
Acha, that is a metal one. Okay. Just tap it.
Tap it
Tap it on table. Yes.
on table.
Could you tap it nicely? No, it's not. It's not.
No, it is.
Okay. Now you can ask me.
Okay, if it's a knife, then hold it in your hand and just touch it again and again. Just tap it on the table basically. From the sharp side. And now the plastic side. No. Now you ask. I understood. This is not a knife.
Okay. If this is the tripod, then
Yes.
just try to paste on this phone.
Should I paste it on this phone?
Yes, if it is tripod.
Okay.
But how would I get to know? Has it been pasted or not?
I don't know. That is your own call. Tight. Now let's tight it.
Yes, it is tripod.
Done.
Yes, it is tripod.
Now it's pasting. What should I do? Wait, let
It
me
is
move
tripod. It is tripod.
It is tripod?
Yes.
So did you get your decision?
Yes.
You got it?
Yes.
So what is this? Is it a lie?
No, it is a truth.
It is a truth.
And what about me?
And I would say it's a pure lie. And you have to guess what is this. According to me, you have a pizza cutter.
Okay.
What do you have?
Shall we reveal?
Yes?
Okay.
Reveal time!
I have a knife.
And look at this.
Oh my god.
You know how
Huh.
I did this for pasting.
Oh.
And I tapped this.
Okay.
See guys.
It's a tie. It's a tie.
It's a tie this time.
Yes. Right.
So guys, if you want more challenges like this, comment us and we'll make more for you. Bye.